Yo, yo, yo. Intro from the parts store. Notice this pink bonnet. This pink door. That's right. We're working on the Peugeot. The 205. The GTI. It's going to be pink no more. So let's see how we can get on with it. So here we go. Notorious Pinky, the pink Peugeot 205, except it was originally white, so when I come to restore it I'd like it to be white again, but I'm starting to slowly gather some parts for it now. So the first thing that's got to go is this pink bonnet. Yeah, first thing that's got to go is this pink bonnet, and anybody with a keen eye can tell that it's an auto bonnet, so it's worth quite a bit. But I'm not too keen on the auto bonnet. I'm not fussed. I just want a nice standard bonnet on it. So we've got a topaz blue one to fit. So let's see what it looks like after. First issue. Bonnet prop bolt just snapped immediately, even though I soaked it. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to have to nut and bolt that now if anybody wants to reuse it. There we go, one bonnet. Miss it. So I'll go get the topaz blue one. There we go, one pink bonnet, one blue bonnet, and differences being the swage line in this bonnet is so small, and then the swage line in an auto bonnet is so big, which people think looks a little bit more desirable. I'll let you make your own mind up between them, but I want to go fully standard on this one. Same as the Capri, the 2.8 fully standard. Well, maybe with a little bit of modernisation and some little tweaks, exhaust wise and bits like that. And there we go, one bonnet swap over. Got the sky in it, gorgeous. Yeah, so pretty much done a straight swap with the pink bonnet for the blue bonnet, because I know the pink bonnet's worth a bit more, but I wanted the standard bonnet, so yeah, it's alright. Can't complain there. Not bothered about how it aligns because this wing's got to come off yet. God knows what it's going to hold underneath, probably as bad as the other side. So we're going to swap the boot lid over as well, because this one's got so much filler on it you can't even tell where the rear wiper was, the rear wash. So we'll go get this one changed as well. What a difference a boot lid makes. To actually say 205 GTI on it. You know, it probably hasn't said that on the car for plus 10 years. So there we are, one boot lid, bruh. Does it pretty fucking swanky. I've just gone over the a little bits of rust, but I'll deal with those when it comes to get painted. I've been working on fitting the two new doors as well. The other door has been fitted, as you can see now, it's black. Yes. But I'll show you now what the problem was with fitting the doors. So yeah, original GTI door. And you can see, look, there's a lump there. Now that lump should be all the way to this edge. The original GTI door comes in all the way. Now this has been either ground out or whacked to fit this. It was flush. I started chipping it out to try and find out where the gap was, because it sits perfect there, look. It sits perfect there, but on the other side it doesn't. So originally there is a notch in there in order for the door to actually close. Boom. So yeah, there we go, black door, original GTI door. Follow the line all the way down. You see the wing should have one in as well, and it's definitely been filled all the way down. That's why it should continue, look, underneath all of that filler. So getting all of this filler out the back quarter and everything's going to be a task and a half, because yet to reveal that that's all filler. Yet to reveal that that's all filler. So yeah, just the other pink door to change, and we'll have 2 GTI doors back on her. So I've got a pretty good idea of where it is on this side. So I'm going to give the good old drill a good go, and we'll see what we can discover in here. It's very windy now, but all this filler lately, and I'm pretty sure there's a little GTI gap in there. Look. Ooh. I tried to see as well if they'd smooth the door over, or they've just got a different set of doors. But I'm pretty sure that there is metal, so they might actually not have original GTI doors on it anymore. But yeah, there's definitely a nice gap in there. Let's just get around it. Oh, that wire brush turned out to be a piece of shit. There you go, one GTI gap. Look at how thick that filler is. And that runs all the way to the back. God damn. To Pinky's door, passenger side, with the door card off. This is the main reason why we're changing it. Let's look at this door, man. It is totally trashed. I mean, I might be able to save it for some other use, but I'm not going to try and salvage this when doors are nice and plentiful for these 205s. So we got the door on. The gaps are pretty good. Got the car cover on in case it just decides to, you know, rain, because I do not trust the sunroof. So that's all from me, and I shall see you in the next one. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm off to Asda, so I shall see you in the next one.